What is up, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL. We're back again, and what we're doing this time around is nice and easy job. You can do it outside your house, you can even do it wherever you want. Actually, it's that easy. Okay, we're going to change the expansion bottle on a 2006 Ford Fiesta. Okay, it's the 2006 one. This one, it's pretty much the same on 2004, 2003. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. All expansion bottles are near enough the same, right? So this one is right there, that one here. Right, so we're going to replace that. Nothing to it. One bolt, one little clip, two pipes. That's it. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, guys, there it is. That's the expansion bottle. What we're going to do first off is it's got antifreeze and coolant inside it. So we're not going to go ahead and drain that because we're just going to let the pipe go, and we're going to re-top it up, refill it up with new antifreeze, new coolant, everything. Happy days. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that bolt off, 10 milli. I've already cracked it. So take that bolt off. Okay, next job for us is I'm going to take that off. To take this off, what you need to do is push down on that little grey bit there, and another one underneath there as well. There's another one underneath that and on top. So you push both of them down, and that should just come straight out. I have to hold the bottle with one hand and pull the pipe with the other hand. So I'm going to put the camera down now. Little bit of advice is make sure you don't go pulling this too hard or anything. This pipe, it's a hard plastic ABS pipe kind of thing. You don't want to break that, then you're going to have more trouble getting to it. Goes in there, so we'll take the air filter off. More headache. So that's that off. Right, the air filter's air filter? What am I saying? Air filter? That's the air filter. The expansion bottle's not going to come off. As you can see there's a little like a hook kind of thing on a bracket here. So we need to push that back that way and then lift up at the same time. If you just go ahead and lift up, it's not going to come off, right? So what we do, we tilt the bottle backwards, as you can see there. It gives us a little bit of gap, and then what we do is we lift off, right? After we've done that, there's another pipe right there with a clip on it. Take that off. Happy days. Ready to rumble. Let's go. Okay, that clip is off. Obviously, if I had two hands, I would do it properly because I'm holding the camera with one hand. So obviously, move that clip further back a little bit more. That pipe comes off. Happy days, ready to go. Let's go. There we have it, guys. The expansion bottle is off. As you can see there, I've still got the coolant in there. If it's good coolant, I know this is good coolant, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to top it up with new coolant and everything. But if you haven't got any coolant, you can just go ahead and just re-top it up with that one. This one is leaking on the neck here where the pipe goes onto it. It's got a slight crack there. As you can see, it has been leaking. Plus it's got a crack here on this side. And that's it. New one is here, ready to fit it. Let's go, let's do it. Like I mentioned, it's only 5 minutes job. 5 minutes job, 10 minutes tops. Happy days, let's go. Alright guys, there's the new one. You don't have to go for a genuine Ford one. You can go buy aftermarket ones. They're good as it's only an expansion bottle. Little top tip. See where the pipe goes on. Put a little bit of WD-40 or oil on there. That way the pipe slides in nice and easy. Okay guys, that's it. Job done. That's tight. 10 mil is tight. That pipe's back on. The bottom pipe's back on. Little top tip is the bottom pipe. You know, when you take the clip off, make sure you try going back onto the grooves of the clip. If you go on a different position, it might not seal properly. It might start leaking. Right? I've got the antifreeze in there. Coolant in there. I'm going to top it up with water as well. Leave the car running. Right, on these, I don't think they've got a bleed valve on these. So what we do is we leave the car running. Leave the turn the temperature all the way to full heat, and wait till the fan kicks in. When the fan kicks in, obviously the water's going to drop a little bit. Re-top it up, and that's it. Happy days. Let's go. Okay guys, that's it. I told you it's a 5 minutes job. That's how we replace the expansion bottle on a 2006 or 2006 Ford Fiesta. Nothing to it. Happy days. 10 minutes job. dead easy. I think it's one of the easiest jobs I've done on Raul TV. Anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you guys, and I will see you guys soon.